Monkey want blood today, not bananas, not pawns. Enemy king. Monkey teach fried liver attack, super hot jungle opening. Sometimes monkey fry enemy fast. Sometimes monkey be patient. Monkey show both. Monkey open banana in middle, strong, simple. Monkey knight say, that's a nice banana. I take soon. Bishop stare at weak F7 square. That square softer than overripe mango. Knight leap in. Monkey not afraid. Team up with bishop. Monkey want to double team the fruit. Monkey go bang. Trade in center, open path. Now comes critical moment. Ah, yes. Monkey grin wide. Squirrel just grabbed poisoned coconut. Time for jungle dinner. Monkey attack. Monkey knight sacrifice. Jumps into squirrel house. Enemy king forced to eat. Big mistake. Monkey laugh. Queen check. Fork king and knight. Enemy king now live in dark forest, scared and alone. Monkey say, you finish this game in 10 moves if you don't mess up like chimp. But what if squirrel plays knight to a 5? Hold up. Monkey angry now. Squirrel actually play best move? Now 5 kick out bishop, stop monkey trap. Monkey sad. Monkey confused. Monkey impressed. But monkey say truth. 100 opponents, maybe 3 will find this. Most just eat bait and lose game. But if this squirrel know theory, monkey must switch plans. Monkey say, fine, you dodge trap, but I poke anyway. Bishop check, keep up pressure. Monkey take pawn. Open C file, break structure, banana crack noise. Monkey back off bishop. Play safe. Castle soon. Still good jungle control. Monkey adapt. Monkey still dangerous. Follow up monkey plan. Monkey castle kingside to put king safe and activate rook. Monkey bring knight to C3 to fight for center. Monkey push pawn to D4 or pawn to F4. Most humans don't find knight to a 5. They play knight takes D5 and monkey cooks their king. So fried liver work very often, even in big rating jungle. Monkey win fast, monkey dance. But if squirrel play smart defense, monkey still okay. Jungle is strong. Monkey brain is ready. If monkey helped your banana brain, like the video. Subscribe to Jungle Channel. Comment what monkey teach next.